Hello and welcome back to BidPulse. Today we're going to be going over the activity feed and the scorecard. The activity feed is exactly what it sounds like. It's a list of all the activity that BidPulse has done on your behalf trying to win auctions. You can see here the default view is recent activity, and here you can see that I won recently a set of Star Wars focused DVDs. And then below that, I can see that the bid for that was processing. So it submitted my bid and I actually won it. You can see both of those share the same date. Here's a different scenario where I was actually outbid on something. This was a Lego set and I was going up to $44, but the winning bid was $46. So I did not win this. It's showing here as outbid, but again, you also see the corresponding bid processing. And then finally, here's one that was outbid, right? This was actually one that went up to like $67. I decided not to do it, too rich for my blood, and killed my snipe before it executed. So that's why you see this down here. You can also look at bid history. So this will give you a little bit more information about, what you actually bid on and so forth. And, what you can do is look historically through here and see exactly what you won and lost. If you click here, it actually takes you to the ShopGoodwill site where you can see the auction itself. And then you can, of course, sort these by won, lost, or outbid, and you can kind of see where you are outbid and why. And then that's really it. If you need more help for this feature, the activity feed has a help page that you can see here. Just go to this URL here at the top. A corresponding feature that is also helpful to understand is the scorecard. So we keep track of the auctions that you win, and you can kind of see these cards across the top that detail that information. Total saved of $2. I'll get into that in a moment. One auction won. My win rate is 16.7%. My average save per win is $2 because, again, I only have this one auction. What is this actually showing me, though? It's showing me that on March 17th, I won this DVD set. Remember, we saw this a moment ago in the activity feed. The final price was $11. And I had put in a max bid of $13. That was what I was willing to spend. But the algorithm is smart enough to know that that would not be needed to win this auction. So I ended up saving myself $2 and getting the item for less than I expected to get it for. And that's exactly what we're tracking here. As before, the Help Center has more information on the scorecard and what everything means. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly. Thanks.